Great state of Ohio and this honorable court. You may be seated.
Today's date is May 20th, 2024. It's the morning docket of the Lawrence County Municipal Court. I'm acting Judge Brian Cron. First group of cases we're going to call are the review hearings. We'll go ahead and call them.
As I call your name, please come up to the table to your right. Jeremy Butcher, Cheryl Carero, Paul Cron, Everett Dean, Beverly Hines, Charles II, Taylor Parmeter, Austin Polley, Shelby Rodriguez.
May I have a review hearing, arrangements for coming before
Jeremy Butcher?
Yes, sir. Now.
This is State of Ohio versus Jeremy Butcher, CRA 19483 and CRB 19779. We're here on review.
Everyone about seat.
Mr. Butcher, are you still in treatment?
No.
Okay. See here, it looks like you have a balance owed on this $735.
Everything's grouped together?
Yeah.
How much you pay?
No, a lot of people here today, so
Sorry.
20.
Paying 20? Okay. You can work some of that balance off on community service, which is $50 a day as well. If that's something you're interested in, I know they're looking for community service workers on Tuesday and Thursday this week. If that's something you're interested in, you can make a pretty serious dent in this fairly quickly. I will set your next review hearing. For June 17th.
Thank you.
Thank you. Cheryl Carero. Cheryl Carero. To the State of Ohio, which is Cheryl Carero, TOD 182577, CRB 1517, CRB 13114. Matter was set for review at 9 a.m. Ms. Carero has failed to appear. Be a bench warrant to issue. Paul Cron. This is State of Ohio versus Paul Cron, CRA 22819. Set for review. Mr. Cron, are you still in treatment?
No, I graduated.
Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Looks like you have 431 hours, or $431 on this case. Do you have a payment today?
Yeah, $200.
$200 payment today? Great. I'm going to set you another review hearing for June 17th at 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Thank you. Everett Dean. State of Ohio versus Everett Dean, CRB 22324, PRB 2230, A and B. All right, I see here, and I'll note for the record that Mr. Dean has turned in a certificate of completion for the 72-hour DIP school. All right. Mr. Dean, on one case, I've got you with the newer case, $510 owed on it, and on the Second case, I've got 4 hours of community service left. You've almost got those finished. And I've got a note here that there's nothing else owed on that. So once those 4 hours of community service are complete, that'll close this case out and just have the one case left. Do you have a payment today?
I get paid Wednesday. I'm gonna pay $300 on it.
Okay. If you want to finish your community service out, or if you want to work off some extra hours on the fine, they'll give you $50 a day towards that. And we need community service workers on Tuesday and Thursday. Is that something that you'd be interested in?
I work all week. Like I can do it on the weekend.
Okay.
Your Honor, we can also split that up. If he does a day of community service, we'll give him the credit for the 4 hours and then 2 hours of credit toward fines.
Okay, great. All right, I'll set you another review for June 17th at 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ms. Hines? To the State of Ohio versus Brandy Hines, PRC 23182, PRC 2783 A and B. It's an excellent report, Ms. Hines. On the first case, it looks like you still have some community service and $375 worth of fines. And on the second case, you still have 30 hours of community service and $105 in fines. Could you do some community service this week?
I can start doing some next week. I haven't been able to yet because I haven't had childcare, but my oldest daughter is going to be out of school for the summer, so I'll be able to have her watch her and her younger sister while I do some community service.
I need you to get that community service done. I'll set you another review for June 17th at 9 a.m.
Okay.
And I'll expect to see some community service done by then, okay?
You
You're
said
doing
June
great.
17th?
June 17th at 9 a.m. And great job on your recovery.
Thank you.
Thank you. Charles Johnson II. To the State of Ohio versus Charles Johnson II, PRC 21-1257. Time's now 9:54 a.m. Mr. Johnson was cited to be here at 9 a.m. There will be a bench warrant issued for failure to appear. Parmeter. State of Ohio versus Taylor Parmeter, CRA 23-189 A and B, CRB 23-191. Time is now 9:55 a.m. Ms. Parmeter was cited in at 9 a.m. There will be a bench warrant issued for failure to appear. Austin D. Polley. The State of Ohio versus Austin D. Polley, CRB 2262, CRB 21246 A and B.
Your Honor, he came in Friday and paid off his fines, but as you can see from his letter, it's not good.
Time is now 9:56. Mr. Polley was cited in court this morning for 9 a.m. He's failed to appear. And on this one, since he is still at least showing up to treatment, I'll note the failure to appear. I'm going to have a bench warrant issue in 7 days. So if you let him know, you'll have 7 days before the warrant issues to report and appear before the court.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Shelby Rodriguez.